to my channel. My lighting is a bit, but welcome back. Today I have an unboxing. You guys can already see it there. Let's get into this video so you guys will see what is inside. Okay guys, so let me show you guys. There it is, my Amazon. Going to be unboxing my Amazon order. Okay guys, so you can see, can you guys guess what is in there? If you can guess what is in there, write it in the comment section before I start the unboxing. Okay guys, so it's from Amazon. All right, let's open the box and see what is in there. All right guys, let's bring the camera down and I'll show you guys what is in there. Okay guys, so our parcel from Amazon is here. I got my little knife that I normally use. Okay, so we are going to start with the top one first, which is this one. I'm going to start with this one. Okay, let's see. How can I open this one now? Okay, let's see if I can open it without needing a scissors. Let's see. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment if you enjoy watching. If you like unboxing videos, please comment and share this video for entertainment. Share it. Subscribe. When you do subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell. I'm excited to open it. Okay guys, so let's see what's in there. Number one thing is a book. It's a book. Okay, that's what is in the envelope. It's a book. Okay guys, that's the first thing there. And then we are going to unbox this one. As you can see, they are all from Amazon Prime. Okay, so let's see what's inside here. You can see I'm opening it with you guys so you guys can see what is in there. You know, Amazon like wasting paper and carton. The second one is a sellotape. So you guys can see there's two sellotape in there. Okay, that's what's in there. Sellotape. And then the third one, let's see. I'm sure some people can already guess what's in there. Some people can already guess what's in the third one.
Isn't it?
Okay guys, so the third one. Yeah, that's what's in there. that's what guys, my kids are here. They are doing their own thing. So this is the third one. Precious is saying hello. This is the third one guys. Let's open it. I'm sure you guys already know what this is. My tripod. My tripod is in here guys. I'm just excited. Okay, so I got my tripod. I'm using the broken one to film at the moment, so I'm afraid of my camera falling. Because my camera is expensive. It's 400 pounds, 399, that is 400 pounds. So I'm afraid of it falling and breaking. So I got my new tripod guys. It comes in this box and this is the name. Something K and F is it concept, something like that. Anyway, that's the name there guys. Yeah, that's the name. So I'm going to show you guys. It comes in this. I can't even remember if my old one came in the bag like this. Maybe it does, I can't remember, because I've been using the old one for at least more than a year. Yeah, I'm sure I've been using the old one for almost 2 years. The one that broke. I'm sure I've been using it for nearly 2 years. So it's almost similar. It's almost very similar. But just different names. They're not the same name, that's all. So yeah guys, so that's my tripod. That's the manual. And yes, even the old one I have, it came with this. I think maybe it's the same but it's different name because I'm looking at the name, it's different. Okay. So yeah, so that's this is the one to hold your camera, not camera, your phone. This is for phone, okay guys? Yeah, this is for your phone. Let me open it and show you properly. So I also have it for the one that broke. I'll show you the one that broke. I'll show you there. This is the one. This one is okay, but the tripod itself is broken. So this is the new one. So I have 2 of them, so I'm sure I can use both of them. Okay. I like the fact it has this bag. I'll store it. I'm sure the old one has a bag. It just, I'm not sure I know where I kept the bag because I've been using it now for almost 2 years. So yeah, I think you just have the normal thing, that thing inside. Okay, so let's open it out of the wrap. Let me take it out of the wrap so you guys can see. So all these are just rubbish, which I'm going to be putting in my recycle bin. Okay guys, so let's remove this from here. So guys, that's my new tripod. I'm so pleased. It looks pretty. So this was original 50, I think it was 53 or 54 pounds, but then they are doing sales. Sorry guys, my face is over here. I just want you guys to see properly, that's why I load the camera. So they are doing offer on it on Amazon. It's on sale for 47 pounds. So they took some money off it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is the part that holds the camera. You screw your camera to this part. Okay, and then there's this little lever here where you just press and put it back. Okay, let me turn it around. I think this one has different setting from the one I'm using currently. The one I'm using currently, I like the way this thing just dropped in without headache. But anyway, that is it, has dropped in. So this is the one you use to move the camera up, down, up, down. I'm sure you guys know. If you have a big tripod, you know already. Okay, so it's the same height, and it has this other thing that you use to lift this one up. Can you see? Can you guys see? Okay, can you use to lift it up, and then you tighten it back, and then of course you bring it back down, tighten it back. Okay, and then it has this to lengthen. Can you see it's very long? I don't want to open the whole of it guys, but it's pretty long. Okay, let me open it and show you guys how tall it is on the floor. Let's quickly just show you guys how tall it is. It's pretty very tall. Pretty very tall guys. So this is the height. You can see it's quite tall. I'm trying to move back so you guys can see. I haven't taken the top. If I should pull the top, okay, I think you guys can see it. Let me see if I can show you guys. I was going to do this part up, but I don't know how to show you guys the full height of it. Okay guys, so this is how tall it is before I lift the thing up. You can see it. Okay, so I'm going to lift this. I just wanted to show you guys how tall the tripod is. So this little screw here, when you screw it, this particular top is also very tall. Those guys can see it's very tall, and it can come off. So you can use this as a mono, what do they call it again? Mono something. I can't remember what they call it. But you can use this one as well to vlog on its own. Okay guys. So yeah, can you see this one as well is very tall. So you can use this one on its own as well. My broken tripod has the same thing as well. Okay, so I just thought I would show you guys how tall it is. Okay guys, then you tighten it. Once you lose it, you tighten it so it can stay properly. So yeah guys, so imagine if you put this one on top of that, it's going to be extremely very tall. But that's the two of them. So this one goes into this one. Yeah, so you just put it back, unscrew it so it can come down, unscrew it. Because I like my hold one, it's very straightforward and easy. But this is also good. So when it comes, you can then hold it like this. Okay, and this one, I like this one better. This particular part, I like it better than my hold one because this one actually screws off. This one comes off, which is good. My other one broke from this point. Can you guys see that it comes off? The hold one broke from this point because you can't screw this out. So it broke. That's the part that broke on the hold one. But like this one, you can screw it out, which is really good. So you can screw it out. Okay guys, I just thought I will show you guys. Okay guys, so that's my new tripod. Okay, with the bag. So I'm going to put it in the bag. I hope you guys enjoy watching this my unboxing, and if it's even more than unboxing because I showed you guys how it looks. Okay, but anyway, that's my new tripod. Hopefully it works just like the way the hold one has worked perfectly well for me. So I'm going to be ending the video here. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you enjoy watching so far. If you guys want the link of this tripod, just let me know in the comment section, and then I'll put it on the description box so you guys can go and get one for yourself if you are looking for a tall tripod. Okay guys, so I'm going to put these two in there so I can be using both of them. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I still got my nice little, this is the one I mainly use when I'm walking around. Sorry for the noise of the microwave guys. The microwave does that. I like this so much. This is like, it's not the gorilla one. I actually want to get the gorilla one as well, but this one is so nice. This one is also bending, but I've had this one for a very long time, for 2 years or more, and I love it. So let's say about 2 years. Okay, yeah. This thing is dropping. The second one of this just fell. So I've had it for like about 2 years. Let's say it's 2 years. Yeah, let's just say 2 years. Okay, and I love it. It also has the one for the phone, but it's not like this. It's not like this, but it has the one for the phone. And this part is for camera, and then it has the one for phone. And then it rotates. You just ease it, then it rotates round. Like, can you see? Very nice. Although I cannot find the link of this anymore because, as I say, it's been 2 years. Amazon has removed it from my order, so I can't find this. But I'm going to get the gorilla one, and I'll show you guys when I do get the gorilla one. Okay, I don't know if gorilla, I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right or something like that. But I like this as well because it's bending. You can bend it anyhow you want. Okay guys, just thought I will show you guys that. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all being here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Shout out to Sheila, shout out to Slice of Sun, shout out to Stay Sweet Cuisine, shout out to Family Shops Groups, shout out to Victoria. Love you all. Bye.